name is Amazing Mia, which my fans call me. Have you ever wanted to draw your very own superhero? I have, and I did. Amazing Mia is really special. She saves everyone from bullies who are individuals. They don't follow the golden rule. The golden rule is to treat people the way you want to be treated. So next time you want to mistreat somebody, think about the golden rule and Amazing Mia. I am ready to begin how I use artprojectforkids.org. Click the search superhero. It will give you a step-by-step of how to draw your superhero. And this is mine. I'm not done coloring it, but okay, so this is Amazing Mia. I have already completed my steps, but I want to explain Amazing Mia energy qualities. Mechanical energy is my wristband because it vibrates and shakes when a bully is nearby. Electrical energy. My fanny pack charges all my devices that I need to defeat the bully. Light energy. My eyes glow in the dark so I can distract the bullies. T. Thermal energy. My skirt insulates to make me warm in the winter. S. Sound energy. My boots have speakers to make so I can hear when somebody is following the golden rule. And this is my Amazing Mia. Yeah. Now you could go draw your own.